sounds of C. When C is followed by E, I or Y, usually has the soft C sound as S. Circle, eyes, pencil, celery. Mice, nice, race. City, cigar, circus. Cyan, lacy, fancy. When C is followed by A, U or O, usually has the hard C sound as K. Cat, comb, cup, carrot. Car, can, calf. Cock, cold, cord. Cub, curd, cure. When C is followed by H, it becomes CH. Chill, chip, chick. Chew, cheat, cheer. Chat, chap, chase.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.